Well, today let me show you quite an unusual seasonal recipe. A recipe with fresh garden peas. Well, quite a lost recipe at that. Let's revive it today. Matar Ka Halwa. Let's begin. Well, here you have fresh garden peas. All you need to do is snip the end, string it like so, and open it up just like so. Push all of this out, and similarly get all your garden peas in a bowl like so. Let's keep this aside and move on to crushing the peas. I want to transfer this straight into the jar. We crush this into a fine paste. Let's turn the flame on and add in a little bit of ghee. Time to add in cashew nuts and saute these till they're golden brown in color. Roughly cut almonds. Let's saute this on medium flame and move this aside. In the same kadhai, let's add in the remaining ghee, and immediately to this, let's add in the green pea pulp. In this case, remember the fact that the green peas were raw. Let's stir this well and ensure this cooks perfectly well. At this stage, the peas that are looking pasty will eventually become slightly grittier. The green peas have cooked perfectly well. If you see, the ghee is now just kind of beginning to release from the sides of the pan. This is the time when we add in crumbled cottage cheese, which of course is going to give it that bounce while eating. That sponginess, that bounce, that mouthfeel is going to be very unique and very different. Let's also saute this on medium flame like so. Of course, while doing all of this, you can keep breaking the grits, and that's a complete personal choice. Well, by all means, if you want to keep this recipe usual, you can add in milk, you can add in khoya, mawa. Choice is completely yours, but I, for a change, prefer cottage cheese or paneer in this recipe. Time to add in sugar. Well, once the sugar starts melting, you'll see that this entire mixture just kind of begins to liquefy, and that's exactly how we want it to. Let's keep mixing this. Ensure that the sugar does not caramelize, because that eventually will change the color of this halwa. Time to add in green cardamom, of course in its powdered form. Half of the dry fruits, like so, and give this one final mix. With this, your matar halwa or green peas halwa is done and ready. Well, absolutely timely because green peas are all across the vegetable markets. In case you wish to make this once the season kind of subsides, do not worry. Frozen peas, always to the rescue. Bye for now.